Hello traders everywhere, Jeremy Lutz coming to you from the digital studios of Market Club. And what was looking to be a slightly positive week overall for the stock market has turned ugly as we head into the Friday afternoon trading, with two of the indexes erasing their weekly gains and one barely hanging on. And we'll take a look at the S&P 500 to start with. Of course, we're on a weekly chart now that we're on a Friday, and the chart analysis score right now stands at negative 85. With red trade triangles across the board indicating that overall the strong downtrend is in place for the S&P 500 in gaining strength. Currently looking at a loss of about 0.6% on the week, down 17 points. Currently trading at 2,615.79. And your key level to watch next week remains 2,818 cents. A move above that level would issue a green weekly trade triangle indicating a move to a sidelines position for the S&P 500. Dow Jones, much like the S&P 500, has a chart analysis score negative 85 with red trade triangles across the board indicating that overall the downtrend is in place for the Dow Jones. In fact, we got that new monthly red week trade triangle this week at 24,122.23. Currently trading at 24,214.71, indicating that we are getting a loss of about 0.7% on the week. Key level to watch will be 25,980.21. A move above that level would issue a green weekly trade triangle indicating a move to a sidelines position for the Dow. Nasdaq's the only one of the indexes hanging on to its gains right now, standing at about 1/10 of a point. It's kind of waffled right at zero, unchanged for the week. Currently chart analysis is negative 75, indicating that overall we are in a sidelines position right now based on that green weekly trade triangle, but the downtrend is gaining strength. And our key level to watch will be 6,878.99. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle, indicating a move to a short position for the Nasdaq. Crude oil traded as low as $50.89 earlier in the week, testing out that $50 levels, backed off of that a little bit. Currently trading at $51.34. However, still posting a 1.5% loss on the week with a chart analysis score of negative 85, indicating that overall the long-term downtrend is still in place for crude oil. Key level to watch will be 52.95. A move above that level would issue a green daily trade triangle indicating a move to a short-term sidelines position for crude oil. Gold, after having a plus 2% gain last week, has given some of those back, standing at a loss of about 0.9% right now, trading at 1,242.70. However, chart analysis score remains positive at plus 75, with a green monthly and a green weekly trade triangle indicating that overall the long-term trend is up for gold. Key level to watch for gold will be 1,251.70. A move above that level would issue a green daily trade triangle indicating a move back to a short-term long position for gold. We'll wrap it up with Bitcoin here, continuing to be gripped in a bear trap, down about 3% today. And we're looking at a loss right now of 6.8% on the week, trading at 3,175.61 with a chart analysis score negative 100 with red trade triangles across the board. And interestingly enough, I'll put the moving averages on here. It's trading right on its 200-week moving average, which stands at 3,163.90. So move below that level could be catastrophic for Bitcoin and send it. Our key level to watch for Bitcoin will be 4,409.77. A move above that level would issue a green weekly trade triangle, indicating a move to a sidelines position for Bitcoin. With that, every success. Have a great weekend, and I'll be back next week with some market updates.